Hi everybody, today is November 16th, 2013. Makes me wonder why this flooding in the Middle East is not all over the news. Makes me wonder if it's biblical about adverse weather. This is an image from Tel Aviv. This here is an image from Amman, the Jordanian capital. This is from Beirut. It says a Palestinian woman on the west bank of Jenin. Here is some Israeli soldiers on Mount Hermon on the Syrian border of the Golan Heights. Tel Aviv. More flooding in Tel Aviv. This here is the Al-Fawr refugee camp between the border of Syria and Lebanon. The Al-Zatari refugee camp near the border with Syria. This is in eastern Lebanon. Kfar Kara in central Israel. Amman, Jordan. This also is from Amman, Jordan. Beirut. Kfar Kara in central Israel. This is an image of a mosque in Jerusalem, Old City. Beirut, Lebanon. Banias, Israel. A southern Lebanese city, Sidon. Amman, Jordan. This is from the capital of Jordan, Amman. Jerusalem. West Bank city of Ramallah. These images were put on the Telegraph UK. I'll give you a link if you want to look at them. But it makes me wonder why this has not been on the news, this flooding. Alright, bookmark my site. I'll keep you up to date. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.